Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about our income statement. So, if you take in financial statement, one of the important financial statement is income statement. So, most of the people is aware about what is income statement is all about. So, income statement is it speaks about how much expense you are occurring in that particular organization, how much income you are getting, how much sales you are getting. Gets completed and how much revenue or a kind of income total income you are getting out of it and how much total expense you are doing. After that, how much amount of earnings before interest and tax you are paying, sorry, you are getting. And after that, you how much interest you are going to pay, how much tax you are going to pay. From that, we will be calculating net profit of that particular statement. So income statement, it's all about profit and loss statement. They will be speaking about how much loss it's occurred, how much profit. Loss in the meaning is a kind of expenditure or a kind of expense. So if I am running a kind of organization, I will be requiring material, machineries, as well as I need a lot of uh, manpower and so on. So for this material, manpower and machinery, it will take some cost, even a kind of maintenance cost of the machineries and so on. So that's it's all about expenditure, a kind of expenditure of the particular organization is all about. Once I sold my product, I will be getting some revenue out of my business. Such revenue or sales after get sold the sales, I will be getting my revenue. Such total income, totally how much income I am getting, I should calculate. There will be a term called other incomes and other expenditure in financial sorry, in a kind of investment income statement. So other income is there will be more if the particular company holds more capital, what they will be doing is they will be investing in some other business or a kind of some other companies, and they will be making amount or they will multiple their amount by investing into that particular business, or they will spend for that particular business. So if you take uh, what is all about thing is income statement, other income. If you take from if you are investing in some other things, and if you are getting income out of it, we will be calling as an other income. Other expenses for other income, what are the expenditures you are doing is that comes under other expenditure. Totally what we will be knowing about this income statement was how much sales we are going to meet out uh, from that particular organization, how much after the sales we are getting as an revenue, total income, and other income. If anything is there, we will be calculating as an total income, and the expenditure of that particular firm, and we will be calculating if any other expenditure is there, we will be giving as a total expenditure. So what we will be doing is for earnings before interest and tax, the total income minus total expenditure. For the every you all know about what is accounting year. Accounting year is all about April to March. So every 3 months once we will be submitting quarter report as a financial statement to the to uh, for the internal audit as well as external audit too. So for those things, what they will be doing is when they calculate earnings before interest and tax, what they will be doing is total income minus total expenditure will be earnings before interest and tax. Once what is the interest, and if once they know what is the tax is all about, they will be adding both the tax and interest, and they will be reducing from the EBIT, earnings before interest and tax, so that they can able to know about what is the net profit of that particular company is all about. So an income statement is also known as a profit and loss statement. Is an financial report that summarizes a company's revenue, cost, expense, and during a specific period or a quarter, every quarter of an year. It provides a clear overview of a company profitability, shows as net income. So every quarter we will be knowing about what is the net income or uh, uh, profitability of the particular company is all about. So income statement will speaks about the net profit of that particular uh, organization for every quarter, right? So the income statement helps the stakeholders to assess the company financial performance and operational efficiency and profitably. So year by year or quarter by quarter, whether the performance of the company is keep on increasing, their efficiency we will be calculating from those things, and how much profit we are earning every quarter or in yearly basis, we can able to know from this income statement. It typically includes key components such as revenue, cost of goods sold, gross profit, operating expense, and net income. So this is all the kind of things it's there. We'll see this in real time. So let me share a real time example with you. How you want to look income statement of any company. Okay, any company, how you want to look to it. We'll see in this thing, right? Okay. Yes. Let me type money control. Money control is the website of BCC, or of the can able to view the company's financial things, and you can know about what is the all financial market is all about. Everything it will be there. So let me type on company name, so that we'll see about what is their financial statement, how they are performing, and so on. Fine. So now you are seeing Suslan Energy. Let me select Suslan Energy. Suslan Energy. Okay, fine. So Suslan Energy share price is 79.95, 79 rupees 95 paise. It's there. Fine. So here, what you want to do is we are going to see about the statement of that particular company. And one more thing is you will be knowing about what are the things you want to do when you see the financial statement, what are the decisions making and what are the things you can come up as a decision maker and so on. You can able to identify, or you can able to come up with. So yes, if you see financials, there will be a kind of financials. You can uh, type money control, and money control you can choose any company. I have chosen Suslan Energy here. It's a public company. It's known as an energy thing. Fine, Suslan Energy. Now its share price is 79.95 paise. If you take income statement, as I told, so every quarter there will be a kind of report submission. If you take uh, April, May, June, June you will be having one audit. July, August, September you will be having one audit. September, after September, October, November, December you will be having one more thing, and at the end March you will be having. Fine. So this is the income statement of any company will be like this. Okay, there will be sales, how much sales it's happened. Fine. And income, we will be calling as sales as an income of that particular organization. We can, in other words, what we can tell as sales, we can call it as an income. Fine. So if the capital is excess, they will be investing in some other investment option where we will be calling as an other income. So this sales is we will be calling as an income of that particular organization, and other income totally we will put together, we will be telling as an total income. There will be an expense and other expense, totally we put to say it as a total expenditure. So total income minus total expenditure will be earnings before interest and tax. How much tax I am going to pay, how much interest I am going to pay. Fine. So after knowing the interest and tax, what you want to do is from you have to add this interest and tax, and you want to deduct it from EBIT. So net profit is 302. If you are keep on seeing this 100, 102, 203, 253, 300, then Suslan Energy is performing well. And if you take every 3 months, it's performing fine. So, and one more thing is interest is increased. If you take at one point, it's become 14. Once again, its interest is keep on increasing. So they want to look about loans and other things, and they want to make it as an purely equity, not loan structured capital structure. Then next, what you want to do is you have to see the expenditures. So compared to previous month or previous quarter, this expenditure is somewhat less. So you should compare with the previous one, whether the expenditure is going higher or lower. If it goes for higher, what you want to do is you want to look into the internal organization, and you have to look into an internal environment, what it's all affects, and other things you have to look to it. Fine. So if tax also, it's one of an external entity or external environment factors, you want to look to it. Fine. So in every thing, what you want to look to it is you want to look the sales of that particular thing. 1,300, 1,400, 1,500, 2,100. Now it's reduced to 2021. So sales has to be increased. But what is the thing is, they have invested their capital into some other investment option, so that they can able to get some 22 thing in the other income. So this is a kind of appreciable one, so that they can able to get some good number in net profit. So income statement is where how much sales it's happening in your organization, how much income, other income, total income, how much you are occurring, expense and total expenditure, how much you are doing it, and total income minus total expenditure, EBIT, earnings before interest and tax. After deducting interest and tax, what is the net profit or earning of that particular company in every quarter. This is all about income statement. Fine. So this is how you want to read the income statement, and you have to take the decision in income statement. Fine. Thank you.